I'm Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making our Greek chicken sandwiches with a lemon feta spread. So the first thing we want to do is work on our spread. So we have some canola mayonnaise here, nice and light, pinch of salt, fresh cracked black pepper, drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. We have our lemon zest and our chopped fresh oregano. We have feta cheese. Just crumbling up any bigger pieces. Mix all this together. Take our sandwich bread here. Take some of our lemon feta spread. Top and bottom. And we also have some thinly sliced red onion. We have some baby spinach leaves. We have our lemon poached chicken. A bit more spinach and red onion on top. We have our lemon zest, fresh cracked black pepper, a little drizzle of olive oil. And all that's left to do now is to plate this up, and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.